friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll show you how to cut celery. So here's a bunch of celery, and I washed it before making this video. So the first thing is I'm going to separate into stalks. So cut the bottom part off and throw this out. And I'm also going to cut off the top bunches as well. So I just want to leave the celery sticks themselves. And I'm going to get rid of the leaves too. So here the only parts I have left are the celery sticks, and check them if there's dirt that you didn't get off when you were washing it the first time. It was just a time, but these look clean and they're ready to be cut. So to cut the celery, if you want celery sticks, it's really easy. You can just cut them, the shape and size you want. But if you want to chop it for salads or stir fries, then you can slice it lengthwise and then just cut it into small pieces. And just continue doing it. So just cut it lengthwise and cut it into smaller pieces. Now, if this is a bigger celery stalk, you can even cut it in quarters so the pieces are uniform with the other ones. So it's totally up to you how big or small you want to make it. All done. So here's perfectly chopped celery. I can just put it in a bowl, and you can use it now for other recipes such as salads or stir fries. For free printable instructions and other very easy recipes using celery, please visit my website MelanieCooks.com and enter celery in the search box. And please subscribe to my channel Melanie Cooks for other easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!